on the vibe. This year, blessing, money, testimony. Go to follow you they go. This year, good news, giant plenty money. Go to